wouldn't want a home-cooked meal? You know, I can't think of anything else better, and it's so easy. You could make it like that in a toaster oven. I call it Chicken Parma Rama. You like that? I do. So I have chicken breast here, which I'm going to use. And of course, Parmesan cheese, because I call it Chicken Parma Rama. I remember one time I was working where I was taking my family to Europe. And the last thing I wanted to do was come home and cook. So when I came home, my daughter Jenny made me chicken cutlets. And it was delicious. I took the chicken and it was kind of thick, so I cut it in the middle. We're gonna put olive oil all over it so it cooks nicely. Parmesan cheese. So we just wanna put that all over. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Eggle and Annie's Kitchen. Today we're celebrating something very special, Mother's Day. You know, and what mother wouldn't want a home-cooked meal? You know, I can't think of anything else better than your daughter or son to make you something special. And it's so easy. You could make it like that in a toaster oven. I call it Chicken Parma Rama. You like that? I do. I remember one time I was working where I was taking my family to Europe, and I was working for like 10 hours that day. And the last thing I wanted to do was come home and cook. So when I came home, my daughter Jenny made me chicken cutlets, and it was delicious. Must I say more? And because it was from her heart too, she made such a lovely dinner. I was really excited. So, you know, if you want to make that for your mom, this is easy. This is real easy to make. So before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. Well, not you, but I'm grabbing a cup of coffee because I need it today. Whoa, do I need coffee? Anyway, what I get, now I buy organic whenever I can. So I have chicken breast here, which I'm going to use, marinara sauce, and of course Parmesan cheese, because I call it Chicken Parma Rama. And I got also mozzarella. I did that pretty well, didn't I? This is local mozzarella, and I like this. It comes like this, but you can also buy shredded mozzarella. And I'm going to put some spices around there, some garlic, basil, and oregano. And olive oil, of course. But it's so easy to do, and that's all it takes. And it's in a toaster oven. You're going to cook the chicken first in some olive oil and spices, and then add your sauce and mozzarella. And your mom will be like, this is delicious. Make Chicken Parma Rama again. So come on into my kitchen and let's make it that I think you're going to love it, and I think your mom's going to like it, and your whole family. So let's go. So the first thing you want to do is wash and dry your hands, and then I'm going to heat the toaster oven to 350. And I got this chicken, organic chicken, which we're going to use. And I took the chicken, and it was kind of thick, so I cut it in the middle. And I'm just going to spread that out because you don't want it too thick. Then I'm going to add my spices, some basil right there. Just shake that on, and some garlic powder. And some oregano. And now we're going to put some olive oil. We're going to put olive oil all over it so it cooks nicely. Maybe just a little bit more here. You want to get it nice, and some Parmesan cheese. So we just want to put that all over. And we're going to pop it in the toaster. I'm going to preheat the toaster oven to 350. Pop it in there until the chicken is done. We're going to turn the chicken over once. And when the chicken is done, you'll see it'll be nice and brown. Now I washed and dried my hands again, but what I want to do now is take my hand and just put everything all over it to get everything, mixed in well. And you want to keep checking it. And I'm going to turn it over. So right now I'm going to preheat the toaster oven to 350 and then place it in there. So this has been cooking about 15 minutes, and we're going to turn it over and cook the other side as well. And it has enough oil in there to make it nice. So we're going to put it back in there with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. I think would be very nice on it. It has enough oil. And usually it's pretty big size, so it's going to take about 35 minutes altogether. So you want to just put that on it. And maybe a dab of olive oil on it as well. Just a little bit, and then we're going to put it back in the oven, because you don't want any red in your chicken breast. If you sliced it in the middle and it's red, you put it back on. So that's what we're going to do right now. Put it back in there for probably another 15 minutes. I had set it to 40 minutes, but it's not going to be 40 minutes. So we're going to set the timer probably to 20 more minutes. Now, you want to make sure that there's no red in your chicken breast. You want to make sure it's done, which it is. There's no red in the middle. I've cut this so I can show you. And that's what you want to make sure, that your chicken breast is done. Now we're going to add the sauce. And I'm just going to pour it on, really. And I might use the breast for maybe some spaghetti I might make. You can make spaghetti. This goes really well with spaghetti, with any kind of linguine. And we're going to just add our cheese. And I love it cheesy. I don't know about you, but I do. And we're going to put that all over it. And we're going to put that in the oven till the cheese is melted. About 10 minutes in a 350 oven. And then we're going to come back and we're going to try it. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out of the toaster oven. So it's done. Doesn't that look beautiful? It looks like a picture almost, doesn't it? I really, really like this. And I don't know too many people who do not like this kind of meal. I mean, you could serve it in a variety of ways with tortellini, linguine, big salad, anything. But I think it's delicious. So come on into my kitchen and let's try Chicken Parma Rama. So this is done. And did you make yours? I hope so, because it's a really easy dish. Really, which I'll do in another video, I usually fry up my chicken in olive oil and garlic and panko bread crumbs to make it really, really special. But one day I was in a hurry and I was like, oh no, I just don't have time to do that. So I took out my marinara sauce and did the chicken just like this, put some mozzarella on it and Parmesan cheese. My family didn't even know it. They're like, oh, this is delicious. I'm like, thank you. So I kind of do this as much as I can because they don't know the difference, and it's really delicious, especially when you make it with your own marinara sauce. I had to do that. It's really, really special, and I like Chicken Parma Rama. I like that. Can you say that fast? I don't know. I like these guys at auctions, the ones that talk real fast. I mean, that's a talent, don't you think? So, should we take a taste? Which I know what it tastes like because I've had it so many times before. It's delicious. But I'm going to take a taste with you. So, if you made yours, take a taste with me. Like I've had it before, and it is primo delicious. I really love chicken. I like chicken a lot. There's so many ways to make chicken, isn't there? It's just such a versatile kind of dish that I love it. I love chicken. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel, for those of you who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You know, and I really like and enjoy your comments. And thank you for commenting on my videos. I love that. So, I'm also a fitness instructor. I love to cook. So, I really like that. I like crafts. I like talks. I like anything. But most of all, I like being with you. So, come again. We'll be cooking up a storm. Have a real nice day. Thanks for stopping in Nanny's Angle. Bye for now.